Hi Candice, Q at Certified Benz Beemer. I wanted to show you a bit of our showroom. We're gonna walk to the 2017 BMW X5 that you inquired about, the X-Drive 5.0. This one does have the driver's assistance plus driver's assistance package, 4-way camera, soft closed doors, executive package, cold weather package, M Sport package. So you do get a lot of bells and whistles on it. I know you've been eyeing that. So overall the car is really fantastic clean. Only one thing I saw is that little chip over here. You have a little chip over here, but we can have it touched up. Apart from that, your tires look fantastic, your side mirrors look great, your doors look fantastic, no dings, no scratches, no dents. Same thing with your rear wheel, looks fantastic. Your rear tailgate, everything looks really beautiful. You can see over here that's just a little bit of debris of dirt. You can get cleaned up. Open the lift gate. You also have all-weather floor mats. You also have the shade over here. You can see everything looks really clean, really beautiful overall. As you can see over here, there's your rear wheels. Again, no curved on it. Looks fantastic. So we do a full inspection process on them. We make sure everything works perfectly fine. We take into consideration of your brakes, tires and rotors. We try to make sure that there's at least 40% left on it. If there's under 40%, we tend to replace them. None of the door panels have any wear or tear. Seats look fantastic, as you can see. Everything looks good. Don't see any flaws, any tears. So we're gonna go to the back. You got your manual shades, your controls, Harman Kardon sound too, I forgot to say that. Panel roof, your rear AC controls, all the buttons look good, as well as your heated seats. See down there. You also have the soft closed doors, so you don't have to smash the door. There you go, it closes up. Let's go to the driver's side, rear. So again, really clean. Again, the controls from the other side, none of the AC vents are broken. Everything looks fantastic. Again, you got the soft closed doors, all of them work. Still under factory warranty, so don't need to worry. So you also got 9,447 miles on it. Let's go over there. 9447 miles, has Apple Carplay 2. You do have the ceramic controls, so you get this expensive ceramic controls with it. It's a touch panel too. You can see you can use the touch panel and use it too as well. Got ventilated seats. When I went for a test drive, had to check it out. You also got the ambient lighting color on it. You can see the blue lighting up. You can change it to several different colors. You got the heads-up display, which will illuminate your speed, speed limit, navigation, phone and all other info. And there's your panel roof that you also have. So yeah, so hi Candice, Q again with Certified Benz Beemer. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to show you this car. Wanted to let you know she's super clean, she's super nice looking car. Did not see any flaws apart from that little thing, but let me know what you think. We also got the BMW, I believe the LED lights. The LED lights have the same in my car too. So let me know what you think. Your front really looks beautiful. I don't see any debris of dirt. That's actually a dirt. It's not a scratch or anything. But there's nothing onto it. It's really clean, really beautiful. It's just dusty out here. And overall you can see like it's really clean. So let me know what you think. So Candice, thank you again for giving me the opportunity. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll let you know if it does have 2 keys and an owner's manual. I'll write that in the email as well, alright? And again, Candice, this is Q. You have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Let's have one final beautiful look at that 2017 X5.